Welcome to Flaky G Forex. Today we are going to briefly talk about what is Forex. So stay tuned.
What is Forex? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for trading currencies, making it the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Developing a trading strategy is essential. Start with simple strategies like trend following or breakout. Backtest your strategies using historical data before going live. Before trading live, practice with demo accounts to test your strategies without risk. When ready, start small and gradually scale up your trades. Effective risk management is vital for success in Forex trading. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Utilize stop loss and take profit levels to protect your investment. Reading Forex charts is essential for traders. Candlestick charts display open, high, low, and close prices. Learn key patterns like doji, engulfing, and hammer. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this introduction to Forex informative and helpful.
Subscribe to this channel